is well known that many people out there don't have any idea on how to make passive income. In this video, if you stay till the end, I will be showing you the 7 passive income ideas that will make you money if you engage in them. Let us start by listing and explaining each of these ideas. 1. Rental incomes. And as we all know, there are several kinds of rentals that we can engage in. Property renting can make you a passive income. If you have properties like houses and apartments, this can make you a passive income by listing them on the Airbnb platform so that they can be rented out easily. Party rentals. Renting out equipment or place for party or occasions. This will generate passive income as people always engage in parties. Wedding rentals. Renting out wedding clothes and attire to those getting married. And as we all know, there are more people getting married on a weekly basis. Doing this can make you a passive income. Car renting is another way to make passive income. There are people out there who need luxury cars for occasion or presentation. You can rent cars to them and this can make you a passive income. 2. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks can provide a steady stream of passive income. Dividend stocks are shares of company that pays dividends to their shareholders. Let us start by listing and explaining them. Cash dividends, stock dividends, bond dividends. Cash dividend. These are the most common type of dividends and are paid out by transferring a cash amount to the shareholders. After a company declares the dividend, the shareholders become liable for the payment. Stock dividend. As the name suggests, stock dividends are paid out as additional shares instead of cash. But there are rules for how we treat stock dividends. It depends on how many shares the company give out compared to the total number of shares it already has. If the company gives out less than 25% of the shares it already has, it's called stock dividends. It means the company shares a small amount of extra shares with the shareholders. Bond dividends. Bond dividends, also known as bond interest or coupon payments. These are the periodic payments made to bondholders for a bond. Bonds are debt security issued by companies or governments to raise capital, and they pay interest to the bondholders in exchange for using their money. Companies typically pay them semi-annually or annually, although some bonds may have different payment schedule. The amount of bonds dividend is typically a fixed percentage of the bond's value. P2P lending. P2P lending works by connecting borrowers who need money with lenders who want to make return on their investment. Borrowers submit loan requests to the P2P lender and investors then compete to finance the loan in exchange for an interest rate. You can earn passive income by lending money to individuals or businesses through peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club, Funding Cycle, and many more. 4. Create and sell digital products. Selling digital products can be very extremely profitable, and you don't have to worry about many of the overheads and costs associated with selling physical products. Providing you choose the right product and market them well, selling digital products online can be very lucrative business. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn passive income by promoting other people's products. You earn commission on each sales that come from your unique affiliate link. You can start affiliate marketing anywhere. All you need is just your internet, your smartphone or your laptop. You just have to join an affiliate program, choose a product to promote, get your affiliate link, run ads campaign for the product and make huge sales. 6. Create a mobile app. If you have programming skills or not, you can create a mobile app and earn passive income through app sales and in-app purchases. There are lots of free apps, there are a lot of free sites that can enable you subscribers are minimum. 7. Create a YouTube channel. You can earn passive income by creating a YouTube channel, and when you get 1,000 views and 4,000 watch hours, then it's monetized. You can start earning through advertising revenue, sponsorship, and product placement on your video. Thank you for watching through. I hope you got tons of value. Click on the subscribe button to get more updates on how to make money online.